So, like I was saying, I kid you not, like if it was Freddy Krueger on Nightmare on Elm Street, I hear a scratching from right in front of me. There's like a rectangular wall, and like I said, that's what I hear. Someone or something scratching really hard, all the way from the back of the wall, all the way close to the front where I was to my door, and then suddenly it stopped. I was like, again, what the heck? You know, is that from the first, noise of hearing a gang getting ready to rumble, you know, and then this, which seems like a Freddy Krueger, noise type of, and that's what I heard. And like from my door, through my door, I could have heard or sworn that I saw the sparks. I see of someone, whoever that was, scratching that wall, but then good, it stopped. I saw either yellow or orange, and on top of my door, I saw the way it was built. It had like a rectangular opening on the left side, and on the right side, uh, the way my friend Eddie built the door, he wanted me to have some air. I could hear the chips. Whoever was that scratching from the beginning of that wall to the end, and I thought I saw like orange sparks. So that was very creepy. And then as soon as he got there, it stopped. And then that's what happened. And so that's what I experienced on, Halloween night of 2009. And I'm glad I did not hear anything else after that. So there it is. That was my real life haunted ghost story number 8. And I hope all of you enjoyed it. And I still got more. Even though this was Halloween night, there's still more that happens. I still got, a couple of more, to also share with you from my real life haunted ghost stories. So once again, I hope all of you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys and share with you the next story on the next video. Bye bye, and have a good night as it's night here, and take care. Bye bye now.